In this video, I'll show you how to merge any two drives in Windows 10 safely and easily. For this tutorial, I'm going to merge Drive A with Drive F. First, right-click on this PC and select Manage from the menu. This will open the Computer Management window where you can manage your disks, partitions, and other settings. Now, on the left side, under the Storage section, click on Disk Management. This will show all the drives currently available on your system. As you can see, I have a Drive F and a new volume A. What I want to do here is merge Drive A back into Drive F so that I can use the full space as a single partition. To do that, I'll first right-click on New Volume A and choose Delete Volume. This step is important. You can't merge two drives unless one of them is unallocated. Deleting the volume will erase any data on that partition, so make sure you've backed up anything important. Once deleted, it will show as unallocated space, meaning it's now available to be merged with another drive. Now I'll right-click on Drive F and select Extend Volume. A new wizard will pop up. Click Next to continue. Here you'll see a list of unallocated volumes that can be merged. In my case, I only have one unallocated volume available, which is the one we just deleted. If you have more than one, you can select the one you want to merge. Click Next again. Finally, click Finish to complete the process. And that's it. As you can see, Drive F now includes the space from Drive A, and the two drives are successfully merged into one larger partition. Merging drives is a great way to clean up space and simplify your file storage. Just remember, always back up your data before deleting or merging partitions. If this tutorial helped you out, give the video a like and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.